Look at that now, man. The red.
I got a big one.
Tell me that ain't beautiful.
That tiny one. Is that Cody? Is that beautiful? That one. Is that beautiful? Yes or no?
Yep.
Is that beautiful? Dad! Daddy! Pop out! Is that a good?
Yeah.
Is that a good fish? Is this a good fish? Is that a big one?
That right there will help us catch fish.
One hand, baby. One hand. Oh. Ooh.
Easy. Hold on, we'll give it to you. Oh, yeah, you got him, Jeffy. Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Take a
Yeah. Watch the hook, bud, okay?
Here, take.
Got you a little chub, man. Hey.
Let's go.
Good job. Hey, right here, man. Right here.
Oh, God, you got one with him.
Look what I got.
Throw it in there, bud.
Oh, that was the same fish taking off.
Yeah.
There we go.
But you got a bite. Reel it.
Reel it in, Tatum.
Reel it.
Can I help you? We got one.
Easy. Here.
Oh!
Here, reel him on up.
Reel him on up.
Oh, look at there.
Tatum.
Oh,
Yeah,
look
you
at
got
there, bro.
one, buddy.
Got him.
Buddy.
That's the fish I caught and he caught it now. That was like a parasol.
That cool rock.
I think better.
Let's take a hook on, put him in the bucket.
Can I put him in the bucket?
Tatum, let me see your fish.
Your daddy's want to look at your fish. Here, there it
Let me
is.
see your fish, buddy.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a bed in.
Yes, it is. Good job, man.
I got a bed in now.
Yeah. Oh, God, he went in your eyeball. Oh, God.
That's kind of funny.
That's funny.
That's funny.
You gonna throw him back in there?
So he's hot. He's fun. You ready? There he goes. There he goes. Come on. What? Oh, God.
Throw him in there.
What happened to what happened? A little piece of parasol.
Good job, Tatum. Mike.
I got one.
Nice job, man. Here. That's a nice one, dude. Here, let's let Pawpaw come over here so he can help us.
That's a good job right there, son.
All right, here. Here, hold this camera.
Got a fish, huh? Look. I just reeled it up. I reeled it up a little bit and son, it came up too. After you get that thing out, that hook out of it, I want to hold it in the mouth. That's a good fish. First fish on this rod.
You're a good fisherman. That's a birdie one, too.
That's a birdie fish.
Birdie.